guys, DJ Vlogs back here yet with another video vlog 58 I'm thinking. I'm not quite sure, but this is the great sound of the mountainy river with the best mountains in the background, and snow on it. Just chilling here, woke up a little earlier. Stayed up quite late last night actually. Woke up pretty early too, so might be tired later on. I don't know what's for breakfast, but I don't really care. But yeah, we got the nice river and just chilling. Taking a small little hike. It's really nice out here. I like it. Trying to find Carter. I think he's over here. We got the whole breakfast here.
What's up, everybody?
There's Trey. He's got his breakfast. We're all just chilling here. Nobody else is out, really.
I'm about to go to the river.
We're finding a way to cross the river here. It's gonna be cool. Oh shoot.
Oh no, we should say that.
I'm guessing this is where the river used to be. The whole thing when it was probably wintertime. Still trying to find a way across. Got some nice rocks over there. Got Trey walking ahead. And the rest over there. Got a bigger river here. We are still, jeez, I look a little weird. Okay, we are still trying to find this. We got a nice little pond or whatever you want to call it. I keep saying that too much. They're also, this is a campsite too right here. Nice view and everything. But we're still looking for some type of waterfall according to Trey. Leaving the waterfall now. I think we're heading back to camp now. We kind of lost everyone, so we'll figure it all out. We're back at camp. We're here chilling at the river. Got some water. We're here with KV. Got some mac and cheese there. Carter's over there for some reason. Yeah. Now that I think about it, I might be able to actually get in the river and do some GoPro footage because I could just dry off on this rock here. Might do that actually. It is actually some very deep parts here too. But it is a cold, cold, cold river. I'll tell you that for sure. Alright, I'm going in the river right now. I'll tell you one thing, it's gonna be cold. Cold. So I think, KV, you getting in? KV, are you getting in? Are you getting in? Okay, so everyone's getting in. I think I'm gonna use the selfie stick for the GoPro. I just grabbed all the GoPro stuff I had, so we should be good to go. Got everyone in here. Got the GoPro set up. Should be good. Get out there. room you guys can't see, but we're all taking shelter. We're chilling right here. Stop raining. But yeah, we're chilling. And I'm saying chilling too much. I'm developing this habit of where I start saying one word constantly in a vlog, so I need to stop. We're out here, had some beans for dinner, and Max out right here. KV's making some s'mores. He's holding his marshmallow for him. I'll play some hide and seek in the dark a little bit. Yo, I don't know why this camera can't see you guys that well, but we are heading towards Carter's little setup here. Tomorrow we are leaving. We're still chilling here, got our flashlights.
What's up, peeps?
Yeah, playing hide and seek in the dark. Alright guys, it's about that time, so if you guys did like this video, like and subscribe, and share if you want, and see you in the next video. See ya. Bye. See ya.